This time of year, you might be thinking about putting another log on the fire or maybe just flipping on the fireplace depending on your home. Well, maybe you want to know a little bit more about the home you're about to purchase when it comes to the fireplace. With another side of the legal side of real estate, we've brought in Kurt Franke to talk about fireplaces and the codes that go along with these fireplaces, right, Kurt?
Yeah, and it's a good time of year to do so, I think.
And we see a lot of different things. I know growing up, I had a friend who was building a home, and across the street they could have a wood-burning fireplace, and by the time they built their home, it had to be gas-burning. Those codes change.
Yeah, in the Truckee Meadows, we have to be very concerned about it because of the air quality. And in fact, it's a Washoe County Health District that governs or sets the regulations and basically monitors the enforcement of those regulations when we're building a fireplace like we have one next to us.
Okay, now when it comes to this, what do we need to know with an older home? Do we have to look up something? Do they have to be inspected before you purchase that home?
Well, it's kind of strange, I think, because you're actually in a better situation if you have an old fireplace in an old home that you're selling. Probably one of the least efficient wood-burning devices, but I believe that they wanted to maintain the quality of old homes that had those wood-burning fireplaces. So if you have existing wood-burning fireplace, you're selling that home, and you certify that it was there before, you're actually exempt from these regulations.
All right. Now, the regulations really, when are we talking about? What years are we talking about that they were put into place that we have to deal with?
Well, they've been put in over time, over the last couple decades, as the air quality has gotten worse, as Truckee Meadows has filled with homes.
Sure.
So essentially, if you're building one now, you're probably not going to be able to have an open traditional fireplace. It has to be enclosed. It has to burn efficient fuels. It also, you can have wood-burning stoves, but you also have to get those inspected. So if that's in your house or originally, you're selling your home, that's going to have to be inspected again and certified that it meets the new air quality standards.
All of this is a part of owning a home, and if you want to know more, maybe you're looking at just making sure everything's on the legal up and up, give Kurt a call. You can sit down, set up an appointment. Kurt, how do they do that?
Well, you can call me at 827-6100, and I think, you know, there's a lot of owners selling their own homes now, so this is a real important thing to know. Most realtors know it automatically. They schedule that inspection, but I think if you're selling your own home, you might want to call 827-6100 and speak with Linda. She'd be happy to set up an appointment, or you can go to my web page. That's LOKAF, LOKAF.com.
Great. Thanks, Kurt.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Now we want to bring you, again, that direction as we have this beautiful view of the valley. We want to bring you to Loka Tile out on East Gregg Street. They've got great tile, lots of choices. You got to take a look at what they have in their showroom. Here's Loka Tile Group on The House Detective. We'll be right back.